आरै पो ल्याउनु छ
नगर्नु बेल
त्यही गरौँ न यसको लारै गर्दा पनि हुन्छ म खोल्दा नि हुन्छ खोला चप्पली रन्जना
I'm Kathy Shannon from Howard Hanna.
Hey Kathy, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Would you mind signing in for me?
Sure.
Come in, take a look around. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them.
Sure, Kathy.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. Is that not working now?
So, ma'am, I have one question.
Yes.
So, you are realtor,
Yes.
right? I'm just buying. So, if I need to buy a house, I have to go through you, or I have to have my own realtor.
You can do either or, but it's gonna it still costs the seller the same.
Seller the same.
You won't save any money by not using a realtor.
Oh, really?
If that's what you're asking, is that what why you're asking me?
Not particularly, but my people are saying that I have to get own realtor.
You,
And
you should. If you want to be represented, you should have your own realtor.
Oh,
I can service you, but my representation is to the seller.
oh.
I'm already under contract with the seller to represent them.
Right.
That's why you need your own realtor.
What's the difference? It's the same thing, or?
No, the whole process is different. It's different being a listing agent than it is being a selling agent.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Both jobs are totally different.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so in your recommend, I definitely need one realtor.
I do think that you should. I think that's in your best interest.
Oh, for trust and all that
Yeah.
stuff.
Yep.
Oh,
Do you know anybody?
yes.
Okay.
I know some of my people.
Yeah, I was
know.
gonna say there's. Are you from Nepal?
Yes.
There's like 4 or 5 Nepalese agents in my
Oh.
office.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Do you know Roshan?
No.
Roshan Kadaka? No.
No.
Tika Dulal.
Tika Dulal, name formulate.
Okay.
But since I already told you, I have not had anyone yet. But I know some of them, but have not get trust
You didn't
with
get.
them.
You didn't
Yeah,
go under contract with
yeah.
anybody yet.
So
That's quite all right. If you have, it is in your best interest to have representation.
oh, okay.
Not that it
Thanks.
can't happen.
Yes.
I mean, I can certainly take care of everything,
Mm-hmm.
but if something goes wrong, I'm going to advocate for the seller.
Oh.
Where if you have your own agent,
Mm-hmm.
you have an advocate for you.
Right. Okay. I will definitely get one then.
I think you
Okay.
should. I
Thank
think
you, ma'am.
should.
Let's
Especially the law is changing August 17th with regards to buyer representation.
You don't
you
come.
won't be able to look at a house without
Bye.
signing a contract.
Wow.
Beginning August 17th.
Really?
Yes.
This August, this month
This
of
2 weeks
August.
from now. Yeah.
So I think this is my last tour.
Yeah. Until if you sign up with somebody, then he can show you all the houses you want.
Right.
But if you
you're
keep
right.
going,
How about like an open house?
you're okay to go to open houses.
Oh, okay,
You're
that's
okay
fine.
to go to open
Right
houses.
now, I'm just doing an open house,
Okay.
just to get formulate. We are in the planning to
Okay.
buying a house. We are saving some budget, but right now just opening house just to see
You're
how
looking to
this
see what
go.
your money can buy.
Yeah,
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 that's a good
that's
way
right.
to do it.
Yeah.
That's a good way to do it.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay, your sitting room.
Have your way.
Thank you. Let's
Thank
go.
you.
यो सिटिङ रुम यता के हो फुल यता के हो किचन हो हेरौँ न त लु यो घर कति ओहो कति राम्रो बेसमेन्ट यता बेसमेन्ट रहेछ नि
यो सिटी रुम हो नि यो पनि सिटी रुम हो
रन्जनालाई यो फ्रिज मन पर्यो
या
आइसक्रिम तिम्रो सिटिङ रुम किचन पनि ठिक्कको रहेछ नि यतिको त ठिक्कको हो नि त ठुलो भयो भने पनि धेरै गाह्रो हुन्छ क्या स्याहार्नु
बरेन्डा
ऐना ठुलो ऐना यहाँ राख्दै यस्तो छ फ्यानहरू हो माइ गड निकै हेर चेयर पनि कति राम्रो फलमको होइन यो चेयर
या
फलम त हो त लु यता एकछिन
Out there.
विन्डोमा प्याडियो
यस्तो खाले त मलाई धुनु आउँदैन
यसो गर्छ स्वरले छान्नु त हो वाउ, इ, कति राम्रो हेर त तिमीहरू पैसा पैसा भन्छौ नि यहाँ हेर है सेभ गऱ्यो भने पैसा कुलो पो रहेछ त कुलो रहेछ सानो
मम्मीले जङ्गलको छेउ भन्छ दिस गुड फर मम्मी
किन चाहियो अरे मम्मीलाई चाहिँ जङ्गल
I don't know.
अच्छा नि राम्रो छ नि यो घर के गर्नु कति राम्रो छ नि वाह फन्टास्टिक राम्रो राम्रो राम्रो
उताबाट पनि निस्किनु हुन्छ
वाह जाउँ हामी अब भित्र यो बाहिरको भ्यू भयो अब हामी भित्र जाने हो यो हामीले यो बाहिर हेरिसक्यौँ अब हामी भित्र जाने हो भित्र उहाँ हेर्नु प्रितम बेबे वाह यो घरको पैसा चाहिँ नि यहाँ छ जम्मा जम्मी उनीहरूले बेच्नु खोजेको नि
Any of this on the table.
ओके हाउ मच दिस हाउस प्राइस
$379.
379 यहाँ छ प्राइस
This is
Nice,
the
nice.
anatomy of a sale, how it goes. Take one of that just for your own knowledge.
थ्याङ्क यू
Thank you.
And then Howard Hanna Mortgage is helping people. They're giving money back for closing costs if you use them for financing. So take.
I didn't understand that one. Can you please?
So on top of the sale price, you have closing costs. You have
Right,
to pay
they are-
title insurance, and you have to pay transfer tax.
Yes.
They have a program that if you use them for a mortgage, they're giving you 0.5% of the loan amount back towards your closing costs.
Oh, okay.
So it could be several $1,000s.
Oh. Wow. Good deal.
So you can take that with you too, and these documents, and I'm just giving them to you to take, and you can study them.
Okay.
This is the agreement that you're going to have to sign when you sign up with an agent.
Wow.
So you can have that too,
Mhm.
just to look over. Education is very important here. So
Wow.
this is the biggest purchase you're ever going to make in your life,
Oh yeah, definitely.
and you just need to proceed with caution.
Right.
Yep.
All right, ma'am. Yep. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Continue on. And don't forget the garage. When you go down that way to that room, the garage is
Oh
down
yes,
the steps.
definitely.
Thank you.
Wow.
दिदी माथि गयो
यो चाहिँ के रहेछ नि
लिभिङ रुम हो
Huh?
It's living room.
Wow, it's beautiful. Kitchen is there and living room is here and they got another living room over there. That's nice. Wow, I can have bed here. Wow. हेर कति राम्रो छ
अनि यतापट्टि पनि छ
कता?
रक्सी राख्ने
रक्सी होइन रक्सी नराख्दा नि हुन्छ कि यो जस्ट अब मान्छेहरू बस्ने चियासा खाने यो हटाएर नि यो त हट्छ नि त यो हटाएर यहाँ रुम बनाउँदा नि हुन्छ नि त त्यस्तो
हेलो
wow. Let's go Ranjana, they got 3 bedroom. Come, let's go.
दिदी अघि माथि गइसक्यो
Why she do that? Wow. Yeah, right. Wow, bathroom. Look at nice bathroom. They got laundry room. Look, stand bathroom.
shower
Wow, it's so big.
I like this mirror
Wow, this mirror is so nice. Let's go, Ranjana. Let's go upstairs to see bedroom, okay? Wow.
The bedrooms are all very nice sized in this house. They're very generous.
How many people already have been visiting?
I've had 4 people throw in 2 days.
Not bad.
You.
Let's
You
go.
have a lot of energy, don't you?
Wow. another bathroom. दुईटा भयो यसमा बाथरुम हामी आएको. Oh, this is full bathroom.
Hi, Didi.
Full bathroom रहेछ यो नि.
She in here. Up it.
This is a bedroom
For Eli's.
for baby. स्टेयर पनि सानो रहेछ नि त चढ्नु सक्ने नि.
Yeah.
यदि त चढिहाल्छ नि किनभने नि. ओहो म त सोमबार गएर कुरा पो गर्नु पर्यो.
You किन्ने यो घर?
कति राम्रो रहेछ. कुरा गऱ्यो नि बाद दिन्छ नि.
यो घर.
दिगो भने त भइगयो नि. एउटा बेडरुम यो हैन यो एउटा हो.
Pitam, come on, let's go. Bye bye.
योसँग दुईटा हो.
Bathroom यहाँ छ कोठामा.
Wow, they got another bathroom here.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. कति राम्रो खाने.
अर्को कोठा कस्तो छ?
Wow.
You're gonna buy this house.
तर त राम्रो बारी हुने रहेछ नि त. We have not go to basement yet. Basement मा गएकै छैन.
यो कोठा हेरेको छैन मैले कस्तो छ. I like this room. I'm taking this room.
ल के भएको तिमी नकिनी एकैचोटि म यो रुम किन्छु भन्दै त बौलाएन. के भएको यो यो नानीको रुम हामीले हेर्यौँ. अब बेसमेन्ट जाउँ एकताल फुल. Oh, which way we can go to basement?
The basement is the garage.
Garage?
Yeah, it's actually, you go down these steps and there's a door right to the left.
Oh, okay. Oh, यहाँबाट रहेछ. ए यो त गराज खाले रहेछ नि त. तर राम्रो रहेछ नि त गराज पनि त हेर न कति मजाको छ त. ठुलो गराज यहाँ हेर. सबै यो गर्नु भन्छ. मजाको रहेछ. ए यहाँ त किचन चलाउँथे क्या उनीहरूले. फ्रिजहरू छ त.
के राख्ने?
लु गराज राम्रो रहेछ हेर. घाँस काट्ने कस्तो.
तीनटा फ्रिज.
म भोलि गएर कुरा गर्नु पर्यो एकचोटि लोन अफिसर.
Let's go.
Wow. Look. I like this house. How many square feet?
It's a little over 2,000.
Little over 2,000.
A total 2,300
Perfect.
of all three levels. 2,300.
3 bathroom. Perfect. Kind of perfect for my family. I should